Okay guys, so in previous video we talked about what's the impact once you have a default method in your interface. So your code won't get break and chess class or football class won't complain whether you want to override that method or not. It's totally up to our requirement. Okay, so just for like checking out whether this method executing or not, let's have one message, default message like team is, let's say, playing. Just one message. Again, it's totally up to how you can play with it. Okay, so going back to tester class, and if I need to call that method, so I can say chess dot team method. There, same I can do here, football dot team. Right, and if I execute this code, let's have some separator so we can see it's top chess and down it's football. Run as application, and there we go, team is playing, so yes, it's like a normal method. Now yeah, we have a method inside interface which is acting as a normal method, right? So what just happened, we have a default implementation of team method inside both child classes. Can we override it? Yes, it's possible. Just have the same, okay guys, there's a typo on playable. Let's fix that first of all. Okay, done. So yeah, uh, once we have method, you can always override that in child classes. That's one of the biggest feature of inheritance. And now here comes the condition. If you are trying to override that method, make sure there is no default keyword, because this is a like default keyword is only for interfaces. You cannot have default keyword in your Java classes. So remove it, and yep, I can say team is playing chess. Okay, likewise I can have team football goes there, and team is playing football. Okay, just one line message to see the impact. So what I just did as per the requirement, because now chess class has a different requirement, football class has different requirement. That's why we have two separate classes. Otherwise I can have the all that thing in one class. But why we create classes? For classifications. Okay, we have two different implementation of team method. Now if I call this main method again, we are getting a different implementation. So as per our requirement, we can change the default method implementation as well. So now I hope now we have an idea why we have default methods and how you can override it. So we have one more requirements or some more scenarios, so that will cover in next video. Till then, stay tuned guys, let's meet in next video. Bye bye.